Welcome to EduSmart. Today we are exploring 3 skills for your future: compound interest, neural networks, and responsible AI. Compound interest means your money earns returns, and those returns earn returns too. At a 7% annual return, the rule of 72 estimates that money doubles in about 10 years. 72 divided by 7 is roughly 10. The important lesson is not finding a magic rate. It is starting early and investing consistently. A student who saves a small amount from university gives their money much more time to grow than someone who waits until their 30s. Real returns vary, investments can fall, and fees and inflation matter, so projections are not guarantees. Compare 2 plans. One person invests £50 a month from age 18, while another invests £100 a month from age 28. The second contributes more each month, but the first may still finish with more because time did much of the work. Learn the maths, diversify, and avoid chasing overnight success. Now let us look at machine learning. A neural network is a system made of layers of mathematical units. Early layers detect simple patterns, while deeper layers combine them into more complex ones. To recognize handwritten numbers, we show the system thousands of labeled examples. At first its guesses are poor. It compares each guess with the correct answer, measures the error, and adjusts internal numbers called weights. Repeating this process is training. A good system learns patterns that also work on new examples, rather than simply memorizing its training data. ChatGPT uses a related approach for language. It predicts likely next pieces of text from patterns learned from large datasets. That makes it useful for explanations, brainstorming, and practice. But a fluent answer is not automatically true. It can be confidently wrong, miss context, or reflect weaknesses in its data. Use AI as a study partner, ask for an explanation, challenge it with follow-up questions, verify important claims with reliable sources, and write the final answer in your own words. AI should support your thinking, not replace it. Finally, let us discuss AI ethics. Responsible use starts with 3 checks: accuracy, privacy, and fairness. First, accuracy. Never cite an AI-generated statistic without checking its source. Open the source yourself and compare it with independent evidence. In finance, a wrong interest rate or misleading investment claim can cost real money. Second, privacy. Do not paste passwords, medical details, private school records, or somebody else's personal information into a chatbot. Remove identifying details and share only what is necessary. Third, fairness. AI learns from human-created data, and that data can contain gaps or bias. A tool may work better for some accents, languages, or groups than others. Important decisions need human oversight, an opportunity to challenge the result, and a clear explanation of limitations. Ethical AI is not about banning every tool. Be transparent when AI helped you brainstorm, keep track of your sources, and make sure submitted work reflects your understanding. The strongest future skill is knowing when to question AI. That is today's EduSmart lesson. Keep learning, check the evidence, and use technology with care.